Good morning, 2W.
Good morning, Mrs. Wallace.
Today we're going to start the lesson. What I'm going to do is write a number up on the board here, and I'd like everybody to have a look at the number that I'm writing. Have a good think about it, and then I'd like you to put your hand up if you know what the number is. Yes, Abby?
456.
Correct, 456. How did you know that was the number? How did you know that was 456? How could you read it?
Because that's 4, so you just say 400 because it's the first number. And then you say 56 because, well, just...
Great. And I really liked how you said 456. So that was good. Good work, Abby. So, Abby, have another hard look at this number. Can you tell me how many hundreds are in the number?
4.
4? Well done. What about ones? How many ones?
6.
6. And tens, Abby?
5.
5. Well done. Have another look at this, and I want you to tell me which digit has the greatest value. Which digit is the biggest digit? Yes, Abby?
4.
The 4. How do you know that?
Because it's the hundreds and it's bigger than the tens and the ones.
Right, yeah. So if I was to say to you, Abby, is this number larger or smaller than 600?
Smaller.
It's smaller. How do you know that?
Because 4 is bigger than 6 in the 100 square.
4 is bigger than 6 or smaller than?
Smaller than.
Okay, so 4 is smaller than 6 in the 100 square. Where might you find a big number like this? Have a think about it in the real world. Where would you find a big number like 456?
It might be a number of what number you're in, like when you buy tickets you get a number and it could be 456.
Yeah, that's good work. So if you were to go somewhere and buy a ticket like in a lottery or a ticket to win something, it could be number 456. I was thinking your house number could be 456. And sometimes even on the bus you see numbers, don't you? And they're 3-digit numbers, and that could be 456. Okay, well done. Thank you, class. Now what I'd like to get you to do next is move back to your tables in groups of 3, the same groups that we chose earlier before we sat down on the carpet. So find your 2 friends, make your group, and quietly move back to your desk. When you're all sitting at your desk, put your hand on top of your head to show me that you're ready. Well done, 2W. That was great. I liked how you moved quickly and without too much chatter back and sat down and you're all ready. Okay, in front of you, there's a few things. We've got a place value mat, and we've used this before in our previous lessons, and it's just got 3 columns. It's got the hundreds column, the tens column, and the ones. See, we've had that before. We've also got there our number fans, and remember we used this on Monday, how much fun we had with it, making up our own numbers on the fans. Yeah, it was fun. And then we've got some place value and some written numbers, so the words of our numbers. So just to help you there to identify how to spell the number, and we're going to put some words together to represent our number.
So do we have to spell it on the chart?
No, what you're going to do is, I'll give you the instructions. So the first thing I want you to do, and Abby, you can be the first person in your group as the leader to do this, is to choose a number from your number fan. So everybody choose a number from their number fan. Well done. Now, talk amongst yourselves in the group and decide if you know how to say that number. I want to make sure that everyone in the group knows how to say the number. When you are all confident that you know how to say the number, just pop your hands on your head again so I know that you're ready. Well done, this group over here. Abby, can you just tell me, how do we say the number that you have chosen?
230.
230. I'm really pleased that you've chosen one with a 0 in it, because that's going to be a little bit trickier today, isn't it? It's a little bit tricky. So Abby, the next thing for your group I want you to do, you've got 2 steps. The first thing is, using your place value mat and your MAB blocks, I'd like you to represent that number on your place value mat. So using your blocks, show me how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones. You can discuss it amongst yourselves so you can all decide if you've got the correct answer. Just give you a few minutes. Just checking everyone's work as I walk around the classroom, making sure that everyone's on task and working together well as a group. I can see you all are really concentrating on this today. Well done, 2W. Well, I can see this group over here, they've got their hundreds represented, and they're about to work onto their tens column. So unfortunately we don't have any MAB blocks in our classroom today. So Abby's drawing the MAB blocks to represent her number. It's taking a little bit longer than it would in the class, isn't it, Abby? You're doing a great job. Okay, when your group has finished placing the MAB blocks or drawing your MAB blocks on your place value mat, you can once again just pop your hands on your head to show me that you're ready. Sitting up all nice and neat. Oh, I can see Abby's group is ready. Okay, Abby, would you like to just hold your thing up and show everyone what you've done? So in the hundreds column here, Abby, how many hundreds have you shown?
2.
2. And that's what you've got in your number. Let's have a look. So it's 200. Okay, in the tens, Abby, how many lots of tens have you used?
3.
3. And what about in the ones column? How many have you put in there today, Abby?
None.
You've put none. None at all. Is that correct? Yep, good. Good job, Abby. So read out, having a look at your chart, read your number now and tell me what it is.
200, wait, 200, 3 tens and 0 1.
Yeah, so 230. The next step is you're going to move over now onto your number cards. Each table's got a set of their own number cards. We've got ranging from the ones, from 1 through to 9, and then we've got 11 through to 19, the 20s, and of course the hundreds. So you just want to go through there, Abby, and see, put the number together as a group. Put your number 230 together using the words. Show me what the words would look like for 230. Well, Abby's working very quickly at this today. I can see she's got 200. Oh, it's a short one, Abby, isn't it? It's only used 3 cards. Read it for me out loud on the card for everyone.
230.
Well done. Thank you, Abby.